Hello, my name is Fabian Verhagen. I am co-owner of Hooray Distribution, and we're a Belgian-based distribution company that caters to skate shops and streetwear stores around the Benelux. Our main philosophy at Hooray is that we really try to think in function of the customer. What does he need? What products does he need? Which brands are important to him? And how can he give back to his community in order for those people to come back to that store? So we support any way we can. We help them with events. We make sure we have the right brands for them, and we help them and really think in the customer perspective. We also have our own retail. We have 5 stores currently in Belgium, and that really helps us figure out what the end consumer wants, and in that way helps us help our customers. The consumer insights that we get through our retail really help us make a 360-degree story. So we can think about the brand perspective, the distribution perspective, the store perspective, and the end consumer perspective. As many companies, during the pandemic, we faced a lot of issues. Time to market, inventory, all that stuff. But we also saw great opportunity. Skateboarding received a major boom because it was one of the few individual sports that could be done during this time. But there was no inventory, so how could we get the product to our consumers? So that's when we looked into digital printing. We wanted to create print on demand, not only for our stores, but also for the end consumer. We got in touch with Canon and we discussed a bunch of options with some specialists there. And the Arizona printer was the only printer that could actually produce the quality that we had in mind. The Canon Arizona printer offers us the solution to not only print high volumes, but also create one-offs for the consumer that wants a personalized skateboard. This printer guarantees razor-sharp photo quality, high-definition imagery on a skateboard. Next to that, it's important to really offer the skateboard quality as well. So we use premium Canadian maple for our skateboards, and we make sure that everything is scratch-resistant and is perfect to skate with. So whether you want to buy the skateboard as an art piece for your home or to shred the streets, the quality is there. The print technique that we use is quite special. Because we cannot print directly onto the skateboard because of its special shape, we're forced to print on films. And these films are then transferred through heat transfer onto the skateboard. Sustainability is very important to us. So working with the Arizona, having certified inks and printing locally helps us a long way on our path to being more sustainable. Alright, enough talk. Let's go skate.